How to change your height in Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will guide you how you can change your height in Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Roblox application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to top left corner, tap on your profile name. Here, scroll down a bit and select one of the accessories that you are currently wearing. Once you're here, now tap on the blue icon with a small person-like icon at the very end of this interface. Now you have an option to customize. Click on customize or tap on customize. Once you land on this interface, there is a menu bar right here with an option such as heights, hair, skin. You have to swipe that to your left and search for one option that is build. Tap on build. Now from this section, you can change your height. If you swipe this drag a little bit up, you can see you can customize your height. So from this interface, it will lead you to choose your body type and also your body size if you want to change that as well. So that's how you can change your height in Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.